How to deposit a check to Merrill Edge by email. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide to do so you may follow out this tutorial. So we can head over to the following site first, which is merrilledge.com, and if you're not logged in, you can enter up your user ID and password in order to log in into your account. So first of all, you need to have the check endorsed. You can sign your name, write your Merrill Edge account number, and it's recommended to write for deposit only to Merrill Edge account and your account number there. And that will help you ensure the check is deposited into the correct account. So you need to prepare a deposit slip or letter from your account if available, and write a short note with basically your name, your Merrill Edge account number, a note saying please deposit this check into my account. After that, you can place it into envelope, and you can just go over and deposit the slip and mail it to mail processing address. There are different accounts available. You can check into what account that you would like to deposit and check what kind of checks that you can deposit and also the limitation, and basically go ahead and set it to the standard deposit processing address and just go and use it. After Merrill will receive the check, processing usually takes from 3 to 5 business days. Funds may take additional time to clear out depending upon the bank. You can track the deposit by logging in into your account, and that's where you can just go over and check it out. You can also look out for their FAQs to go ahead and view how to do so. You just need to log in and use those, and do not send cash through mail. Use a secure envelope. Consider tracking a certified mail for large checks, and that way you can use it. So that's it, everybody. You may follow other methods. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.